Of course, this wild weather put a big damper on weekend activities. Heavy rains flooded roadways and even some local golf courses. 7 Action News reporter Jane Park has the latest from one of the hardest hit areas.
We're at Bud Park in Clinton Township, just off Clinton River Road, and if you look behind me, kind of eerie at this hour. Bud Park looks almost like a lake after heavy continuous rainfall this weekend, and people are just going to have to wait it out before they can start to enjoy this park again. No picnics or cookouts this weekend at Bud Park, now submerged in water from the heavy rains the Clinton River just could not contain.
It's crazy. I mean, you can't even tell where the road is.
But neighbors still came out to the banks of the floodwaters just to get a good look at what the wild weather did.
I wanted to see it.
Bud Park, the locals jokingly call it Flood Park, unrecognizable with shelters, bleachers, and soccer goal nets peeking out of the water. And just down the road, even Tiger Woods would have a tough time getting out of this hazard at the Fern Hill Golf Club. But the wet weekend, not entirely a washout. Clinton Township Parks and Recs Director Frank Piso is an avid bow fisher, and when the river overflows its banks, he gets permission to play.
We get to shoot some carp down here, which is an invasive species that the DNR wants you to remove.
The carp spawn in the receding floodwaters, often getting stuck on the fairway. Whatever Frank catches goes to local farmers who use the carp as fertilizer.
It makes a difference because you get an invasive species out of the water. It helps them clean up their fairways. They don't have to go and get them out. And it also adds to sportsmen that love bow fishing. It gives them an opportunity and a place to do it.
A hobby of opportunity when the weather dampens other summer pastimes. And Frank Piso tells us the parks will remain closed because of this heavy flooding, but the good news is the waters are already receding. In Clinton Township, Jane Park, 7 Action News.